Hello there, gardening friends. Here it is. It's about 15 degrees out here, and I'm just coming out and checking the bird feeders because sometimes I just got an ordinary screwdriver. When it gets cold like this, sometimes they just freeze up, or if they get water in there or something like that. So I'm going to go out here and check this one out here. One of the things you got to do when it's cold, this one here is not doing too bad, but it gets cold like this, and I think that if water gets in there, yeah, this one's flowing pretty good now, and or it just freezes up. This one over here, I don't know. I don't think anything's going to help this one except for if it thaws out. It's going to have to thaw out before this one gets to working again. When it rains or something like that, it just gets water in there. But this one's working. So it's about 15 degrees out here, and when it gets cold like this, sometimes the feeders clog up like that. I need to stand this up and put a piece of wood down in there where it's leaning over like that, but I'll wait till it gets a bit warmer. And here you can see these feeders here, they're frozen up. There. Well, this one here is empty. I'll have to go in the house and get some bird seed and fill it up. But yeah, you just have to unclog the holes as best you can. At least that port there is flowing pretty good. There, I got this one here. Okay, they like this feeder here better because of that brush pile I made, because since I come out here they've all flown somewhere else, but they'll all be sitting on that brush pile. Well, it's still flowing. This feeder here is probably a little bit better because it's flowing pretty good. It's not so, doesn't have such a tendency to get clogged up. Okay.